in this little tub thing, there is a custom graphic for the side of the Passat, and today's video we're going to be fitting this graphic down the side of the Passat. So I'm not going to show you what it is until it's on the car, so bear with me, it should be good. Okay, the first thing we're going to need to do, the car's filthy, the graphics go in this area here. First thing I want to do is I'm going to give it a good clean, and then I'm going to try and get off any wax and stuff that's on the car so that the graphic sticks better. So that's what we're going to do first. A bit of kitchen cleaner, a bit of rag, just to get the first layer of dirt off. Okay, that's clean enough for now. Next step is to use some type of thinners to try and get the wax off. I've got a tiny amount of that. I'm going to try and make it work or last. Now then, it's basically just a line that runs down the car with a special bit at the back. You've probably seen it on other cars, to be fair. Just a little touch to make it look a bit better. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a line of masking tape down the car, because the pieces that I've been sent come in sections for each door. They're not just one piece, so I've got to try and line them up without them being like that. So yeah, first thing I'm going to do is run a line of masking tape down the car to give me a straight edge to follow when I put the graphics on. So that's the first thing I want to do, but first I want to line up the graphic to see whereabouts to put the masking tape. So there. Okay, that works. Right, that will work. Now then, I'm going to lay the back graphic first. So if I do is line that to there, line that to there, bring that to where I want it. That's about right. Yep. Okay. I tape in the middle. We'll go about 10mm off the back. And say that there. About there. I'm good with that. Right. Okay, the rest of it is just lines. Okay, this side is going to be a bit trickier because we have the fuel flap. So I have to go above that and then along there. So there's a lot more cutting in to do there. This side is already clean. I've just cleaned it up and ready to go. So let's do this side now too. Right, graphics on, the car's still dirty. Maybe I'll give it a wash later and finish the montage then, but I'll just do a quick dirty montage for now. There we have it. A little bit underwhelming video for you, but first part of the graphic on. I will be doing this. I will be putting a big graphic in this section here, like that whole section. I'm going to be doing a graphic. Maybe I'll tie it into that one, but something is going to happen in this section here next time. I was waiting for a bloke on eBay to contact me, but for some reason he doesn't. The bloke that I bought this off, I asked him if he could make me a custom one for there, but he doesn't seem to want my business. So I'll have to get it made up at work or something. But yeah, for now, it doesn't look too bad, does it? I actually quite like that. Not bad at all. Happy days. See you in the next one, peeps. Don't forget to like and subscribe.